Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm talking about one of my favourite media that I don't see anybody else ever talking about for art journaling, and you guys know I am I never show like, oh, this product and that product to the camera when I'm doing art. I always think, I'm using blue acrylic, you've got blue acrylic, what does it matter? You know, what brands? Use what you've got, that's my opinion, you know. But having said that, you can't help when you are an artist and creating things, have your favourite media. It's just natural. And there's this one particular thing that I know for sure I've mentioned it through the years on my channel, but I don't see it ever really being mentioned as the unique media that it is. And looking at them, I think the reason why they aren't maybe so popular is that they're old school kind of supplies, in that they're from a company that was created in 1795. They aren't necessarily things that are going to be promoted by newer craft brands that are bringing out sometimes the same things just with different labels on all the time. So that may be one reason why. They're called Conte. They're the carré crayons, they're not the pastel crayons, which I'll explain in a moment, but I know for sure I shared them in a video I did years ago, which was about using pastels in your art journals. If I could only ever use one kind of pastel ever again, it would be these carré version of the crayons, and I've done some research, and carré, all that really means is square. And the reason is because they are not, like when you use a hard pastel, you'll get some chalk coming down. They won't do that with this. They don't smudge as much as normal pastels. So they're, like I say, they're kind of unique to me. They are like a mix between a hard pastel, but not quite, and a crayon, or a pencil, like the lead part of a pencil, but not quite. So as I say, they also have the soft pastel version. I'm not talking about those are more just soft pastels. I'm talking about the carré versions, and I've got a few different kinds. I think I just got them off Amazon. They are not very expensive. But again, it could also be that they're a European, it's a French company, that it isn't so, you know, widely known about or shared about. And I'm going to grab a canvas and get creating something and use them and show you like some of the things that you can do with them. Really heavy. That lovely texture. So you can either have the more in-depth texture that's coming up here by wetting it, or just hit on top by rubbing it over and smushing it. You can see the line's still there because it's a hard media, but there is room to play about with what you do with it. When I am sharing something that I love, I want to give it with a caveat to discernment. Guys, be discerning in what you buy. Buy what you really love and use, not just what you see being shared, because I am so conscious as somebody who people watch that a new media gets shown and people just instantly want to buy it. I know, I'm the same. It's candy, but you will see I consciously make the effort not to do hauls, not to do product reviews as soon as something hot comes out, just to get the views, you know, so that when people search it, they see me. I'm not into that, and I might not make any friends saying this, you know. I'm showing you a media that I love. Please take it as something that I love is not necessarily going to be for everybody. And I've picked up a little hack for you guys, if you want to know. Because I have several studios, I still feel extravagant saying that, but they're all small, so that's why I have the extra rented one. I have to split my media. So if you like to use your media in a couple of spaces, say the couch, as I had on a recent video somebody saying my butt's already in the chair where I create Jenny Belly, because I create on the sofa, then what you can do with these, or any kind of pastels really, is just snap them in half. And I didn't realise this until I left the studio. I quickly frantically snapped them in half, put half in my little hedgehog that holds my media at the studio, and brought the other half home, so that I didn't have to buy two of everything, which can be a bit of an issue when you create art in more than one space. So you can do that, or you can also do that and put them in a travel bag, which is an awesome idea as well, so that you can use them wherever you go. It's an extra media to then be able to stick into your bed box. If you've seen that video of mine where I create bed box, create art in bed, or my heart bags, which are my travel art supply kit. But it works well because the sticks are so long. But you can do that with Duo ink tent sticks if you've got them, or whatever else you may use. Yeah, nice little hack for you. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love, everybody.